Ways to live. Adaptations help animals survive. Some animals have colors that help them hide. Can you find the insect? Big eyes help owls hunt at night. Adaptations are ways animals have changed over many years. Adaptations include changes to animal bodies and actions. Stinky spray drives away skunk enemies. How do I look? Some adaptations change how animals look. Gills allow fish to breathe underwater. Gill. Turtles have shells for protection. Frogs' webbed feet help them swim. How do I act? Other adaptations change how animals act. Rattlesnakes shake their noisy tails to warn enemies. Tail. Lemurs use their tails for balance. Chimpanzees use sticks to gather ants and termites. A termite. One animal can have many adaptations to help it survive. Horses have strong legs for running and long tails to shoo away flies. Show what you know. 1. What kinds of adaptations do water animals have? 2. Do any land animals have the same adaptations as water animals? 3. Why are adaptations important? Glossary. Adaptations. Adaptations. Changes in animals over time that help them live. Breathe. Breathe. Move fresh air in and used air out of the body. Gills. Gills. The parts of a fish or other underwater animal used for breathing. Survive. Survive. Continue to live in spite of dangers. Termites. Termites. Small, soft insects that eat wood and live together in great numbers. Webbed. Webbed. Having skin that connects a finger or toe to its neighbor.